Hi buddies, welcome back, and today I want to give you 4 tips and tricks of what you can do if your Motorola Edge 40 Neo doesn't charge anymore. And the first thing you want to do is you want to check if this part right here is clean, because when it's dirty the dirt might stop the phone from charging. You want to do the same thing here. You want to make sure that this part is clean, so that, as said, dirt doesn't stop your phone from charging. You can also go ahead and see if you can charge another device with the same cable your phone isn't charging, because maybe your cable is broken and you want to try it with another device to make sure that it's not the device but the cable. Next thing you want to do is you want to restart your phone, and that you want to do by pressing the volume up and the power on and off button at the same time. Then you get this menu right here and you can now say restart. Then it's restarting. Now we need to enter our SIM pin, and now we need to get back into our phone. And hopefully now after that restart your phone is charging again. If that still doesn't work, you want to go ahead and look for a software update. For that you need to go to your settings, and here you want to scroll down to system updates, and you want to say check for updates. Everything looks good, but if you have an update available, go ahead and install that. That might fix some bugs in the background who are stopping your phone from charging. And if that still doesn't work, you want to perform a forced reboot, and you will do that by pressing the volume up and the power on and off button. Keep pressing beyond this point until the phone shuts down. Keep pressing until the logo appears, let go, and now the phone starts again. That forced reboot will also hopefully fix some bugs in the background. We now need to enter our SIM pin again. And now enter our pin. And now, well, you hopefully can charge your phone again. Otherwise, you might have a hardware problem and you want to go get that fixed. Otherwise, well, you can't really use your phone normally anymore, and you want to be able to do that. So hopefully that helped. Hope you liked it. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.